Kids left their bikes out in the snow. Looks like they came out and shook the snow off of them and got them in the shed there. What a mess. Feed ranchers are sitting on the neighbors. Also, that didn't bend the crap out of my fence too bad. We had a big limb come down a year or two ago, and it ruined the top brace on that fence, that top bar. We pulled it all out and replaced it. Now it looks like we probably gonna have to do it again. It's amazing that snow would be that heavy. There'd be enough snow on that branch to bring it down. It looks like a pretty stout old tree. But I guess it's heavier than it looks. It's plenty heavy when you have to shovel it, I guess.
Yes.
Hold up, John. Isn't it? Okay, count of 3, go. Hold. Back up.
Who thought that branch would come down? All branches.
I don't know. I didn't think about it.
No,
Watch out for your foot there, Joe.
Last night I go to bed, then I hear
hold up.
gunshots.
Okay, give it the onion.
The onion? The onion.
Go. Just go. Go, go.
Go, speed racer.
Stop it.
Keep going. Look, you won't break that.
Keep going.
Oh, it will. It'll break the crap. You gotta double up that one, right? It's nice to have little planks of board lying around places.
All right. Okay, Jake, watch out. Everybody back up.
Okay.
Yep.
It'll
John,
fly now.
hit it. Go, go, go. Keep going. Good.
Yeah. Stupid branch. Just
Yeah, it makes you wonder how a little bit of snow brings it down when it's that hard to break loose and get out of here.
I know.
You know?
Stupid
Good
branch.
grief.
I want to go. That's it. Sometimes you're all clear. It's going to come down.
Sorry. Forgot to put on my backup beeper when I backed up. Almost backed over Jacob.
Yeah, he's big enough he should know to get out of the way.
I did. You might want to watch with it shaking. He could bring down other limbs.
All right, everybody back to the
Back
house.
to the porch.
Go now.
You got a big one right there that's real heavy.
Come on, back to the porch. We don't want to get hit by another branch coming down.
We're gonna cut that one up and use it for firewood next year.
Yeah, we could probably cut it up.
See?
that's the branch that fell down over there. We've just been chopping it up. And I didn't know if we wanted to split it more, so I just had them stack it right there.
Okay, good.
I needed somebody to be bigger.
Yeah, that size needs to be 7. We're just getting the ones that are small enough that they just need stacking, not splitting.
It's not gonna go.
Back up, Thor. Go. Hold on.
Honey.